Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topics: Python variables, Python variable types, and Python variable IDs. So first of all, what is variable in a Python? So variable is the name to refer a memory location with a value in program. Okay, so for Python variables, we don't require data type. It is taken automatically based on the given value. So for example, if we take a, so a is equals to 10. So here the data type of a is integer, which is int data type. So based on the value, the data type of a is taken into consideration. Second example, b is sci. So here the data type of b is string, which is str type. Third example, again a is equals to 10.5. So previously a is int data type. So now automatically the data type of a will change to float. So depending on the value, okay, the data type of the variable is taken into consideration. So we have type function using which we can get the data type of a variable containing a particular value in Python program. And in Python, everything is an object. Okay, so the variable data type is a class and its value is an object. Okay, so type of a is int class, its value is 10 of type integer object. Okay, so we can get it type of a, type of b. Next, we can use id function. So id function, we can get a value. Okay, we can get the value identification which is unique in a program. Okay, so for every value which is technically an object, we have a unique identification given by Python. So we can get that using id function. So technically it is a object id or a particular value id in the memory of the program. So if we take something like a is equals to 10, so in memory a is a reference variable which will be pointing to a value 10 or an object 10. So we can get id of a. Similarly, b equals to 10. So b is a reference variable which will be pointing to the value 10. So here it will be pointing to the value which is being referred by a. So it will reuse the value or the object which is available in the memory. We can get id of b. Next, if you say b equal to 20, now b is a reference variable which will be pointing to a new value 20. Okay, and this 20 will have a unique identification number in the memory. We can get it through id of b. So let us try to demonstrate this variable types IDs example1.py. So first take new page at the beginning of the program. So I'm taking a is equals to 10, print a, type of a. What is the data type of a? B sci, print b, type of b. Again a, 10.5, print a, type of a. And then another variable c, in which I'm storing character a in a string. So string is represented in single quotes as well as double quotes. So print c, type of c. and then variable D, value is true or object is true, print D type of D, right? And one more, variable E, 10 plus 5j. Okay, so here Python also supports complex numbers. So print E type of E. So let us check the variable value and its corresponding data type in A, B, C, D, E. So open the command prompt, go to the working directory where you have saved the program. Okay, so Python followed by variable types. Okay, right, variable types IDs example1.py. So initially a value 10, it is of type integer class, value or the object is 10. Next, b sci, it is of type class string str. Again a is 10.5, so now the data type is class float. Next, c string a, data type is class str. D, value is true, class boolean. E, value or the object is 10.5j, its data type is class complex. So everything is an object in Python. So data type is a class, value is a object. Okay, so now let us take ID. So a 10, print a value, ID of a means address to which a is referring in the memory. Okay, so you will get the unique identification of value 10 or object 10 to which a is pointing to. Similarly, b10, print b, id of b. So here b will reuse the value or the object 10 in the memory. So b also refers to the same object or same value. So id of a, id of b will be same. After that, b20. So now b refers to a new location whose value or object is 20. So print b, id of b. It will be another new identification value, right? So let us run the program. A10, its unique identification is 163.749.923.4896. B10, so it will refer to the same object or value in the memory, 163.749.923.4896. After that, b is equals to 20, we'll get a new memory location for the object or value 20, which is 163.749.923.5216. So initially a, b are referring to same object or value 10. After that, b is referring to a new value or object 20 whose unique identification or address is different. So this is how in Python we are supposed to work with variables, its data type and its unique identification to the value it is referring to in the memory of the program. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.